Welcome back to EV Channel PH, the first pure electric mobility channel dito sa Pilipinas. And today, silipin natin ang all-new Mini Aceman SE. Dito mismo tayo sa BGC, Mini British Iconic Cars.
Zoom through the city lights tonight. Electric dreams taking flight. Feel so right. Marca has got the spark you need. EV Channel PH, it's time to lead. Plug it in, power up, let's roll.
This is a British-made, fully electric compact SUV at gaya ng ibang mga mini EV, iba pa rin talaga yung appeal nito. Quirky, classy, and fun to drive. Pero this time, zero emission na. Alright, simulan natin dito sa exterior. From the front, kita mo na agad yung unique identity nito. Wala siyang traditional grille pero may sleek modern pattern and shape. May LED headlight with high beam assist at napaka-clean ng lines ng harap. So makikita rin natin ang sharp body curves, high gloss trims at very sporty rin yung kanyang 19-inch na extra gram spoke two-tone wheels at bagay na bagay sa compact at urban look nito. Pagtingin mo dito sa likod, stand out agad yung kanyang Union Jack style LED taillights. Classic mini touch pa rin na sobrang recognizable ito kapag nasa kalsada. Again, may comfort access system din ito. Basta lumapit ka lang with the key, automatic mag-a-unlock na yung mga doors. At syempre, ready na sa EV lifestyle ito. Meron itong Type 2 CCS2 charging port na swak sa mga public chargers dito sa Pilipinas, especially sa mga malls and mga charging hubs. Pagbukas natin dito sa likod, meron siyang practical na trunk space, tamang-tama for city errands like groceries, gym bags, backpack, or even yung mga cabin size na luggage. Okay, let's move inside ka EV. So pagpasok ko pa lang, premium na ang feel. Hindi ka bibiguin from the materials to layout, halatang pinag-isipan. May soft touch fabric dashboard at hindi lang sa harap ka EV, maging sa buong cabin nito ay soft touch fabric na rin. Kaya ang ganda ng texture at hindi siya boring tingnan. Dagdag pa dyan, surrounded ang buong cabin ng ambient lighting. Nagbabago siya depende sa mode or mood. So very relaxing, lalo na siguro kapag gabi ka nagdadrive. At sa gitna nito, ang unique 9.4 inches na round OLED infotainment screen. At yes, bilog siya. Very mini pa rin yung kanyang theme, pero fully modern na ito. Again, pwede mong i-customize ang theme ng infotainment panel. May iba't ibang layout, graphics, at lighting combination depending to sa drive mode mo. Yung control sa ilalim nito ay parang yung mga nasa cockpit ng airplane, no? Toggle switches na sobrang sarap pindutin at gamitin. Sa center console, merong wireless charging tray para sa compatible smartphone. Meron ding mini compartment sa ilalim ng driver's armrest na perfect for storing small items like key, wallets, or charger cable. May dalawa siyang cup holders dito sa unahan at both front seats are power adjustable, ganun din yung ating mga side mirrors. And for the sound, sobrang linaw dahil naka-Harman Kardon speaker na, yung steering wheel, soft leather finish, elegant yung design at kumpleto yung controls. Nandyan yung media buttons, cruise controls at voice command access. At sa likod naman, maluwag at komportable ang second row na kahit na compact SUV siya. Meron kang charging port for phones and devices, may reading lamp sa gitna, komportable ang sitting position at consistent yung quality ng materials na halatang hindi ka tinipid kahit dito sa likod. Pagdating naman sa performance, it runs on a 54.2 kWh battery, delivering a 214 horsepower and a 330 Nm of torque. So mabilis ito ka-EV, kaya niyang mag 0 to 100 in just 7.1 second, which is very impressive for a small EV na katulad nito. Ang top speed nito is around 170 km/h, so sa highway ay ready ito. At ang driving range ito, kaya niya up to 400 km sa isang full charge, so more than enough na for daily drives at weekend trips. So, sa tech and safety features nito, may lane change warning, rear collision prevention, rear cross traffic alert, cruise control, reversing camera, at sa kanyang infotainment panel, compatible ito with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So, plug and go lang ang phone mo dito. So, ngayon, ang tanong, magkano? The Mini Aceman SE is priced at 3.550 million pesos. So para sa mga naghahanap ng EV na stylish, fun, techy at may kakaibang personality na EV, ito na yon. So that's all for today for our full walkthrough at the Mini Aceman SE from BGC Mini British Iconic Cars. Kung gusto mo makita ito in person, punta ka nandito. This is Mark from EV Channel PH, the first pure electric mobility channel sa Pilipinas. Stay charged, drive electric.
Through the city lights tonight, electric dreams taking flight. Feel so right. Marca Daza's got the spark you need. EV Channel PH, it's time to lead. Plug it in, power up, let's roll. Charging up the future, that's